Hello there. Tonight's brush is my Rooney Restore with a 3-band golden nib silver tip knot in it. Stick that over there to soak. And the soap tonight is Woods of Windsor. Now this was given to me by Steelman on the Shave Nook as part of a PIF. Really appreciate this gift. This is a discontinued soap. They no longer make this soap. There were 2 versions of this soap from what I can get with my research that I've done on it. One came with a mug, a Woods of Windsor mug, and that soap was not tallow. This, on the other hand, is a refill puck, and it is a tallow-based soap. And I got my magnifying glass out here because I can't read that. I can probably in the screen once I look at the screen and review this video from right now. I can't. So the ingredients, using my handy dandy old man magnifying glass, is sodium tallow. That's the first ingredient. So it is a tallow-based soap. Sodium palm kernel, water, potassium stearate, parfum or fragrance, glycerin, sodium chloride, coconut acid, stearic acid, tetrasodium etidronate, pentasodium pentate, tetrasodium EDTA, titanium dioxide. It's made in England. It's I believe 150 grams, 5.2 ounces of soap. So you get a really nice cake of soap for the money. The scent on it is, hold on a minute, let me pour the water off. I've had it over here soaking. The scent on it, there is a parfum, there's a fragrance to it, but it's very mild and light, and it just reminds me a lot of like Mitchell's Wool Fat. Just a really nice, clean, soapy scent with a bit of fragrance behind it, and I think it's going to be good. We're going to give it a shot. Let's move on down. I think I'm going to enjoy this soap. As I said, I had it soaking. I believe, from all that I can gather from all that I've read about it, that it's a triple milled soap. It seems to be lathering wonderfully, loading fairly nice and easily. I'm going to put a little more water on that. So I don't think we've got any issues there. So we will see. The only thing I don't like is the way the puck is shaped. If you look, you can't really get it into a container without having a bunch of stuff. You know, a lot of the lather is out there between the container and the brush, but I'm going to fix that because I'm just going to reach in there with my finger just like you saw. Then I'm going to add it to the scuttle. But that looks beautiful. Let's go ahead and like I said, I'm going to take and just scoop that out of there. Because why not? I worked for it. We're going to take it. Alright. I heard that Puxatawny Phil came out and did not see his shadow. So they say that means that winter will be over soon. Well, if I had my druthers, I'd sit back about 150 yards from Punxsutawney Phil with a really nice 30-06 accelerator round in the chamber. And when he poked his head out, he'd never see his shadow ever again. That way, I wouldn't have to worry. Winter would be over. That's just a joke, but you guys know what I mean. Lovely, lovely lather. Beautiful. Nice, rich, creamy. Lovely. I'm going to add a bit of water. It looks like I might be making a mistake. The looks of the lather looks to me like it might not want any more water, but we're going to find out. Since I've never used the soap before, I want to see what it's doing water-wise, and it looks like to me that it took that pretty well. That's good. Alright, nice creamy lather. Lovely. Let's move on up for the shave. Oh yeah, smells a lot like, well, not exactly like, but like on the same lines of Mitchell's Wolf. That's lovely. Wonderful scent. The puck doesn't even look like, hold on, the puck doesn't even look like I touched it. So that's going to last a long time. That's a good thing. Lather's beautiful. Nice and white and creamy. I know it really doesn't matter, but I like a bright white lather that really looks nice and clean. I like that. We're going to use my Christopher Johnson near wedge this evening. Lovely. Fairly slick. So far not crazy slick, but you know, I might be able to add more water to that. And slicking it up some more, but there's enough that it doesn't matter. My back is feeling a lot better. I'd like to thank everybody for their thoughts and prayers about that. I'm still not 100%, but much, much better. You can see that I'm moving around very well. I'm not grunting and groaning and carrying on. So, definitely much better. Let me see. Does it rinse off the blade really easily? Yeah, the water content is really good in it. I'm going to add just a tiny bit and see what that does to it. So If you'll hold on 1 second. Just to see how the soap will react to more water in it. I like doing stuff like this. A lot of times when we get something new, we don't want to play, because once we get a lather that we like, we don't want to mess with it, But this is a new soap that I've never used before. It's going to be with me a while. It looks like it's going to last a long time. And so I want to push it a little bit. See how it acts. And lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. All right. Going for a 3-pass tonight. Just because. Lovely. Almost got myself with the tip of that blade. Thank goodness it's someone rounded it a bit. I most of the time prefer a spike point, but right along there today, I was glad it was rounded. This soap is very much exploding in the bowl. After adding that bit of water, I have several passes left. I might even do a lather shot picture. And post it on my Google Plus page just to show the lather from this soap. Wonderfully slick. That just that little bit of extra water really increased the slickness. Increased the slickness in this soap dramatically. It's lovely. That's wonderful. Lovely. Beautiful shave. Nice and comfortable. Wonderful lather. Wonderfully slick. One moment. Osage rub. Lovely. And to follow up with this soap with some aftershave, I'm going to be using Stetson Cooling Moisture. This is just a really mild wonderful scent, fragrance, whatever you want to call it, that I think goes really well with things like this soap, Mitchell's Wool Fat, that kind of deal. Just kind of almost in the same ballpark scent-wise, just a little bit more. And okay, that's been the shave. Fellas, thank you for joining me one more time. God bless you, and I'll see you later.